Global temperatures are on the rise these days, and the information on what gases that are causing it, and the information is astounding. The average amount of carbon ppms before 2017 were around 250 parts per million ppms. The highest it ever got was 300 ppms. That changed in 2017 when it shot up to 405 ppms, breaking the record. Many people and scientists say it was from burning fossil fuels. This was true. Over 38.2 billion tons of carbon were emitted from all the nations in the world. Every year, that amount has been going up, and sooner or later, it will destroy us. Carbon is going up at a steady rate. Back in 1800, the first amount of carbon was measured at 290 ppms. It has maxed out at 411 ppms in 2019, a 121 ppm gain from 1800, which is a huge. Still, people do not believe that anything is happening. If you don't do research in here, normal things such as in 100 years the temperature will go up only 1 to 2 degrees. On the surface, that doesn't sound bad, but in fact, it impacts everything. Some impacts of global warming include the ice around the planet melts, the weather patterns that are changed, and most importantly, the climate around the world is impacted. More effects are cold, snowy places lose that snow and become moist wetland. Hot places become hotter and drier. All the ice around the earth melts. Sea level rises and coastal cities sink. Example is Venice, Italy. It was built on wetland and surrounded by water on all sides. It is also slowly sinking into the ocean. It has many years of historic places, and if global warming isn't realized, we will lose places like Venice. Animal habitats will also be affected. The ocean eats carbon, killing coral reefs and wiping out fish population that lived in them. That gives less food to the predators and can potentially wipe out them along with the fish. Places with lots of snow will have it melt, turning the habitat green. The animals around that area are completely white, and with the new heat, animals will go into the habitat and pick off the former animals because they can't hide. Places along with the west coast of the United States have had more droughts than usual. No rain came in for a few weeks for some places, killing off little vegetation around those areas. Now that you know about the dangers of global warming and the damage it does, think about what you can do to help. You can change the solar energy. You can change the solar energy in your own house buying solar panels or buying an electric car. You can also plant trees or plant a garden. A tree can take in 48 to 50 pounds of carbon each year. You can also help change global warming in habitats like people are like. So make the change and save us all.